Oh crap. Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna clean up my PS4 Pro. I've had this PS4 Pro for about a year now, and I've never cleaned it before. So I'm gonna try to clean all of the dust out of this thing, because I know it's super dusty by now. I have this PS4 Pro sitting down right there. So it's sitting down pretty low, and I hear if you have your PS4 Pro sitting low, it collects a lot of dust. So I'm curious to see how much dust this thing picked up in the fan. And I'm gonna take out the top, I'll take out the bottom, and I'll try to clean out the heatsink too. So let's see how that goes. Shoo shoo, go away, shoo. Booyah. Alright, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna use here. I'm gonna use some alcohol. Damn, I only have 70%. I thought this was like 99%. Oh well, just use some rubbing alcohol. I have a microfiber cloth right here that I'm gonna use to wipe. This is one of the most important thing is a duster. So a air can duster to spray everything out. And I'm gonna use some Q-tips, and this is gonna be used for the fan. And last, just need some screwdrivers. This is my screwdriver set, so I should be all set. Let's do this. Let's do this the proper way. This is the front casing, and all I did was sticker bomb it. If you haven't watched this video yet, you should go check it out. It's pretty cool actually. And it's holding up pretty good, so go check out that video if you haven't yet. So what I'm seeing how to take this off is to start from the front here. So I'm gonna start right here and just gotta like pry it up and put some force on the corner here. So I'm just gonna pry this up like that. See that? I heard that snap. Now I'm gonna do this corner right here. Crap, this is harder. Oh, there we go. I had to put a lot of force on that, and it snapped off. But it's very strong, don't worry about it. Now what I heard is I gotta just slide this back. There we go. Not too shabby. That's how it looks like. Not too bad. I thought this thing was gonna be all gunked up. It's been over a year I've had this. I guess my room is just cleaner than I thought. Yes, super clean. Alright guys, I'm gonna clean this in a second after I take off the battery here. So what I noticed on the screws on these are like, they're the star type screws, you know, they're not like Phillips or anything. And I tried all of my pieces here. I have like all these different screwdriver sizes, and none of them fit except this one, which isn't a star, but it's like a triangle type style. So this one right here fits for me. Let's see here. See, this one works. There we go. I think it's pretty long. Let me see if a Phillips works on this. I'm really surprised. I have all these different sizes, like the star sizes, but they just don't fit it. Maybe just a flathead one, but the right size. Nope, too small. Yeah, it bugs me when they don't use like regular screws for these. Why do they have to make it so hard? See, none of these fit for me. So the only one so far is like this triangle shaped one. I still want to strip these. Take this plate off. Alright, we have a few more here. Let's take these off. See, now this is a different size. What the heck? This doesn't grab on here. Alright, so looks like Sony is a little bitch because none of this screwdrivers fit this. It's like a special type of screw or some shit. Let's clean out this fan right here. Hit you with that doot doot doot. Alright, we're gonna rub this down. Just gonna clean up the blades here as good as I can. Alright, I'm gonna do all of these blades so I can get it super clean. Alright, so it's not too dirty, it's not bad. I thought it was gonna be super dirty. Alright, so here's the dealio, guys. I did some research to find out what screws these are, and these are called torque screws. And so I'll leave some links in the description down below to where you can find screwdriver sets for it. But what I found out is that you can use a flathead screwdriver for it if you can find one that's thin enough. So I have this one right here that's pretty thin and it fits it perfectly. So I'm gonna give it a try. So like it fits on an angle. I'm just gonna put some pressure. Hopefully I don't mess this up. Yeah, see, it's coming out. Oh, there we go. Alright, second one out. And let's take out the hard drive here. Okay, just snap this back here. Just push in there like that, pull it out. And then, here we go. This is a regular screw right here. See, now they put a regular one on here because they only want you to swap out the hard drive but not really doing anything else to their system. And I just got to pull this back just like that. And let's take a look at the hard drive. Very interesting. That's how it looks like. Nothing special. I might swap this out for a SSD later on, but right now it's running pretty good for me. So alright, so I'm gonna take off the back here, and to do that, see where this is the front with the PS4. So I'm gonna turn it behind where all the plugs are, and now I'm gonna pull the back here and pull this off. So you just gotta put some pressure like that. Once again, this side is a little bit harder. There you go. Oh, you know what? There's like a sticker on this right here. I gotta peel that off. There we go. Alright, so there's another screw here. I gotta take that off first. But now this warranty is voided, but who cares? My system is over here now. Alright, got that off. There we go. Whew. You know what? This was like a sticker right here too. See this? Guess that was a sticker too. Didn't take that off. Just gonna try to push this down. There we go. Whew. There it is. So I'm gonna give this a really good cleaning with this duster here. See, I want to get the sides here. Get all that out. Alright guys, so I had to flip the PS4 over on the back and remove 2 screws before taking off the battery. So just pay attention to this black marker right here as a reference. See this screw right here? Gotta remove that screw and this screw right here. So just those 2 screws. And these screws were really hard to remove. Like this one over here on the right was a little bit easier. And I'm using the flathead screwdriver still. But this one right here like stripped on me. So it might be kind of hard to put that one right back in. Okay, those screws are out, so let's flip it back over. And now, since these 2 screws on the battery are out, I'm gonna start lifting it up and wiggling it out. Alright, there we go. Just gotta like wiggle it side to side. And then I'm gonna move this to the side a little bit. And there's this cable right here. and I have to remove that plug in order to remove the power supply. So check it out, I got some pliers right here, and you have to be very careful on removing this plug here. So I'll show you a close-up on how to remove it, because you just have to remove this top piece. Don't pull the whole piece, just look at where I'm pulling this off. Right now that I got that off, let's remove the battery. This is what it looks like. It's kind of dirty in here too, so I'm gonna blow all this out. See, I want to blow all this stuff out from the heatsink right there. So I'm gonna clean all that. Okay, that's clean enough, so I'm gonna put this thing back in. I'll plug this wire back in. So I pushed it down with my fingers, but I'm using the so now I'm using the top of the pliers to just push on the white piece here and to get it firmly in there. And I heard it snap in, so there we go. So it's good. Now I just gotta be gentle with this. There we go. Push it back in there, and now put all the screws back in. So let's, I'm just gonna put things back now. Oh, and don't forget to wipe this down too. Do. So to put this back on, I'm gonna start from the back to let it hinge on, and I'm gonna push it up and slide it up, and then snap this down. I hear that snap. Make sure everything is snapped in. Then I'm gonna put back on this screw right here. Now the front, gotta put this thing back on. Alright. Okay, and then I'm just gonna blow this out one last time. Now the cover. Put this sucker back on, and same thing, I'm going to start with the back, let it hang on there, snap it in, make sure everything is snapped in. Last piece. Boom, PS4 Pro cleaned. So it should be running smooth again. And you know, I've had this system sitting very low, like right down there, for over a year, and that's how dirty it got. And that's not bad. I thought it was gonna be super dirty. There you go, PS4 Pro cleaning. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, peace.